Most people get this wrong. They assume Google Workspace pricing is simple, but the surprising truth is that each plan offers different features that can drastically affect cost depending on your business size and needs. Today, we'll break it down clearly. Google Workspace has four main plans: Business Starter, Business Standard, Business Plus, and Enterprise. Business Starter costs $6 per user per month and includes professional Gmail, Google Drive with 30 GB storage per user, Docs, Sheets, Meet video calls, and basic security. It's ideal for small teams or startups. Business Standard is $12 per user per month and increases storage to 2 TB per user, adds recording for Google Meet, and allows larger meetings with up to 150 participants. Business Plus costs $18 per user per month, offering enhanced security features, 5 TB storage per user, and advanced device management. Enterprise plans are custom priced and provide unlimited storage, advanced security, and compliance tools for larger organizations. You won't believe what happens next. Choosing the wrong plan can cost hundreds extra per year if you overpay for features you don't need. For example, small teams rarely need Business Plus or Enterprise unless they require HIPAA compliance or advanced analytics. The surprising truth is that Google Workspace's pricing is flexible, but you need to match your plan to your actual usage. Storage, meeting capabilities, and security features are the main differentiators, not just the base cost. In conclusion, small teams can save money with Business Starter or Standard, while growing businesses may need Plus or Enterprise for security and storage. Understanding each plan prevents overspending and ensures your team gets the right tools. Subscribe for more detailed breakdowns to help you choose the best software for your business.